Hello, I'm Sam Mitchell. This is Tyler Irwin, and we are the Beedrills performing Love the Fish. Got a cool fish and his name is Bob. He's cold rotten, a big yellow blob. He doesn't have a care in the world. Gonna throw him in the toilet, send him round for a whirl. He's a cool fish, but he's covered in slime. He'd be good cooked with a big glass of wine. Gonna grab him by the tail, throw him in a pan. If eating fried fish is sport, consider me a fan. What a fan.